Okay, tapos na ba?
Hmm. Okay. So ayan, welcome again, Josh, no, for another session of our practice set 7. We're covering alcohols, ethers, and epoxides, no. So we're now through from items 1 to 13. So you may now continue number 14. So let me read. For item 14, you need to explain the following observation. When 3-methyl 2-butanol is treated with hydrobromic acid, a single alkyl bromide is isolated, resulting from a 1-2 shift. So may hint pa dito ha, may hint yan. Pero sa mga susunod na items, wala na yan. When 2-methyl 1-propanol is treated with HBr, no rearrangement occurs to form an alkyl bromide. So you just need to explain that. Okay? Sige, go ahead.
Uh-huh. No rearrangement occurs. Okay.
Mhm. You can place your answer for number 14 here, just below 13. Ito, dito na lang.
Wala ba? Paano kaya 'to?
Yan, there. For number 14. Okay? So just inform me, Josh, if your answer is final for number 14. So
Okay.
later we'll have
Text ano daw?
15 and 16.
Siguro may hindi anti-peregrine army lang. Kailangan mo ng ano 'to, uh, 'yan, 'yun.
So ito ay yung ano, um,
Hmm,
yeah, from alcohol going to halogen, halogenation. Pero ang topic na natin for this item, I think is may mga rearrangement na. So, yep, sige. I already placed the item here, Joshua. You can place your answers or solution here at number 14. Just below dito sa left side. Okay?
okey sige ba? Ano daw? So, sige. So, 3-methyl 2-butanol, 2-butanol, wait, 3-methyl 2-butanol? Huh? Wait, is this right? Pero sec isoamyl 'to, eh. Okay, whatever. Paayupak na yun. Single blah 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 is isolated. Mm. Single bromide. Okay, so nag-1 to shift. 1, hmm, red. So, hindi, wag muna. Ay, sinuman mo na. So, HBR, down here. Ay. Oo. So, yung partner niya, o ito, even minus equals even. Bakit yung okay. 2 broma 2 methyl butane.
About the other compound. So that's the first one, right? 3-methyl 2-butanol. So you have 2-methyl 1-propanol naman.
Okay, wait lang ako.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oo nga. Or, even number yung tinanggal mo. Pagka even number yung tinanggal mo, bakit mo? I want your answer to be 6 minus 3. 10 minus 5. Bakit na yun? Part na niya. Dapat connected. So, even minus 10. Or minus 2. 10. Okay? Oo. Bakit yung Hmm. Yung sa 6 minus 6 odd even minus r. Low-key. Low-key. Mukhang legit. Wait, kung wala naman, na 2 methyl 1 propanol. Oo, wait ah. Ganito, pagka ano dapat nakikita mo yung sinasabi. Kaya kailangan, you don't need to repeat 10 minus r equals. Wait. 10 minus r equals. On the board, ha? 2. Takas. Oh. 10 minus r equals. Dahil. Alam ko na. Kabasan. Ay, hindi. Uy! Saka, bakit? Oops, hindi ka nakamali na doon. Anyway. Mhm. Mhm. O itong so yung isang partner ng nabura, so ano, nabura yung isang partner, ito. Oo, kung isa lang siya, ano tawag sa kanya? O, ano yun? Or, tawag natin, add, add, divide by 2. Two. Uy, ginagawa mo. Oh, wait, ano mo yung add numbers? Add numbers. Uy, dito. So, ano pag hindi pwedeng i-pair or divide by 2, ano nangyari? Kapag dinivide mo na,
Ano?
wait, I will use a different phone. I will call you right.
More stable tertiary carboxyl ions. Ano, ilang?
Wait lang po. Wait po,
Ilang?
Josh.
Ilang?
Ang box sa paper, walang po.
Ilang? Oxonium, yun.
O yun add, made pag divide mo na. Okay, remember that. So ngayon, yung add, that even minus add equals add. We're saying, because I minus add. Are you looking at the board, no? Usapan natin na even minus add. Ano, usapan natin dyan. Correct. Bakit siya, ano, add? Because,
Okay, thumbs up ba? Okay.
oo.
Yan.
Okay, sige, let's check now number 14 para we can proceed to
Marker.
15 and 16 already.
Yun, just that
So
even minus
let us
10.
check your answer. Okay. So,
Even minus even.
let me go back dun sa problem, no? Ang problem natin for number 14 is we need to explain the following observation kapag daw yung 3-methyl-2-butanol ay treated with HBr, we just produce a single alkyl bromide, no? And then may hint tayo na it resulted from A1 to shift. However, if we will have 2-methyl-1-propanol with HBr, no arrangement occurs to form an alkyl bromide. So it means that one alkyl bromide, no? Single alkyl bromide will also be produced. So, ang difference lang ng dalawang compounds ay yung positioning of your OH, no? The hydroxy group for the first one is placed
Get it?
at carbon 2, while
Okay. Then
dun sa second compound natin at carbon 1
even
yung
minus
hydroxy group, no?
others.
So, upon
Ngayon,
halogenation,
ito,
so
even minus
he
8.
reacted the two compounds with HBr. So, ang una mo dapat ay
Even minus
with
10. Bakit
HBr.
minus 4?
Okay. So, you protonate the hydroxy group para maging water siya, which will become a good living group. And then, this is for the 3-methyl 2-butanol. And then,
So,
SN2 will happen. SN1 rather will happen, no? So we need here to form a carbocation para magkaroon ng rearrangement. Very good. So dapat via SN1. So you can write here, Josh, like what I mentioned, no? You can write here SN1 para guided yung reader mo or yung checker mo kung anong mechanism yung ifa-follow niya. Okay? So via SN1, we can have the formation of your water. Then magli-leave na siya kasi may oxygen ka dyan. And then you form here a secondary carbocation. Oh. Ayan, excuse me. Ayan. So you can also add here secondary carbocation. So from secondary carbocation, this is the most stable, no? Na carbocation dahil you can also form a tertiary carbocation which is more stable. By the way, Josh, anong shift ito na nangyari? 1,2 shift, specifically what type of shift?
Tama.
Ito, yung sa first compound mo from secondary to tertiary.
Shape na?
Shift. Anong shift ang
shift.
nangyari?
2-3. Ay, tama ba? 3-2?
No, that's not 2, 3. 1, 2 lang
1-2.
yan. When you say 1, 2, we're not about the positioning per se of your groups in your compound, but kung gaano yung movement nila, the extent, no, of the movement. So, pero sino yung nag-move? Kasi nakalagay lang sa problem natin ay 1-2 shift right?
Dapat connected.
This one involves a 1-2 shift. Oh,
Bakit yung sagot mo even?
sinong
So,
nag-move dito, Josh? Ayan, no? Hindi mo pa na-indicate kung sino yung nag-move. May ginawa ka lang, ginanon mo lang siya. Sino to? Yung carbon, yung nag-move? Nako, Josh, ano to
Hindi,
ha?
yung
May
electron po na.
error to. Hindi electron. Oh,
Electron pair?
oh. Sinong nag-move dyan?
Dapat yung
1-2
positive. Pero yung ano naman, hindi naman true yan. So may nag-move na ano.
Oh, nag-move yung positive kasi may minove kang ano. It's not electrons. Syempre may involved na electrons na magagalaw. Pero may specific na group. Ano yun?
Yung ano? Methyl? Ay, di, hydrogen. Hydrogen,
Metal
hydrogen.
shift? Okay, good. Hydrogen. So you should have yan, added here, hydrogen. Kasi, Joshua, kapag ang mga shift ay kailangan mong ipakita na nag-move yan. So, your hydrogen will move from this position going to the carbocation. So that your carbocation will crawl dun sa next adjacent carbon mo. Tapos, may new hydrogen ka. Yung hydrogen mo, nandito na. So, you need to demonstrate this. Very vital ito. Tapos sa lagyan mo to, pwede itong 1-2 shift. Lagyan mo siya. 1-2 H shift.
Oo nga.
Okay. So you can place here 1-2 hydride shift. Okay? Para at least we're aware that a hydride shift happened or occurred here. Okay lang yan. Medyo rusty ka pa ngayon dahil you've been you came from
Anyway. Nakuha ko
Yeah,
naman
it's okay.
bakit ganun.
Oo, pero tama naman yung sagot mo. At the end of the day, you will form this product and this is correct, no? So you'll form here 2-bromo, 2-methyl butane. Okay? So this is correct. I'm more on the presentation of your solution, no? So, very vital ito. Ito yung nawala sa'yo. So, definitely may deduction ka dyan. Pero, dun sa second one natin, no? Sa second product, 2-methyl, 1-propanol. So, 1, 2, okay, 2-methyl, 1-propanol. So, similarly, this one will be protonated, magiging OH2 to. Ano to? Ano nangyari dito?
Kasi,
Mhm. Ano to? Anong mechanism to, Josh?
SN1.
Ayan, ito yung sabi ko sa'yo, danger ng hindi mo ini-illustrate. Anong mechanism, anong nangyari.
SN1.
Diniretso mo siya kagad. SN1?
Yeah,
Same
opo.
din, carbocation ang mabubuo.
Hindi. Kagad po nag-substitute.
So, SN1 yun.
ito, ngayon, even minus even. Bakit?
SN1.
Bakit walang limit?
Oh, kasi sabi mo SN1.
SN2 po.
Ano talaga, SN1 or SN2?
SN2, SN2. Tama.
Ayan, tignan mo, hindi mo kasi nilalagay yung ano mo eh, yung mechanism mo. And hindi mo pinakita yung buong mech, no? Parang ano na lang to, concerted na lahat. So, dapat may pre muna eh, may preparatory step, no? For SN2 here. Kasi ang alcohol mo is not a good, the hydroxy group is not a good living group. So, you should have form first your good living group na water. So, hindi to pwede, Josh. So, ano dapat ang susunod? Ayan, i-drawing mo nga kung ano yung next dapat dito. So, dapat, ayan, wala munang attack ni bromine. So, ano muna yung mangyayari dito sa gitna? You should have what?
Kaya magkakaroon ng
You should have form first your living group. And to be ano yon? To be logical with the SN2 mechanism. So, paki-drawing dito, Josh, yung ano, yung compound mo or molecule here. Yan. Binura ko na yung attack agad ni bromide ha. Hindi yan ganyan. Ito,
Meron.
dito sa baba. Ayan. Medyo maliit lang yung space. Pero, wait. I'll move this. Ayan. Ayan. Go. Ayan. So, you should have, ayan. Dapat meron ka munang, wait. Kulang yan. Okay.
minus 5 yan.
Kulang pa to. Yung OH mo. Sige. Gawin mo
Hindi
muna.
mabubulan na.
Okay, good.
Mhm.
It should be, now what? Wala rin dapat leaving pa dito sa umpisa mo.
Oxonium.
Oo, OH2 muna. Oh, wala pa.
Minus add
Hindi, ito na yun eh. Ito na yun, yung step 1 mo.
Kung may nilagay po kayo, hindi ko po siya nakita. Anyway, dapat oxonium na lang.
Hindi, ito. Red lang yung, I'm using red pen.
Wala po akong makita.
Wala ka nakikita?
Opo.
As in, plain lang yung nakikita mo. Wala kang mga hindi mo nakikita yung mga SN2, SN1. Tignan mo, puntahan mo yung Zoom lang na meeting natin para makita mo yung share. Or, hindi pala, ito na yun. Hindi naman ako nag-share ng screen. Wait, ang weird.
Wala po akong makita doon sa left. Anyway,
Seryoso.
so let's say naging
Anyway.
oxonium siya. I-attack na siya nung ano.
Ayan, ganito ang nakikita ko sa screen. We'll send it in our Facebook. Ayan. Send it to our messenger na.
Messenger.
Ayan.
Okay, hindi ko po
ito.
siya makita.
Yung mga red.
Hindi ko po makita ito.
Okay.
Saka yung mga
Ayan,
ibang
binura ko lang siya.
abang. Anyway, so,
So the
hindi ko
rest
siya
naman ay
makita.
okay. Okay.
Somewhat.
Mhm.
Ay, hindi, may kulang din po sa iba, pero hindi masyado.
Okay na yan. Diretso mo na dun sa product mo, yung sa taas. Kasi SN1 naman yan eh. Yung arrow mo going up na. Good. So, ito yung missing mo. Ito. This one is missing. So, definitely, you'll have a deduction dito. Kasi hindi ko to nakita. Ayan. Hindi naman concerted ang pag-form ng leaving group, no, from the HBr itself. Yung protonation of your hydroxy group with from HBr, using HBr, tapos attack agad si bromide, hindi naman concerted yun. So, isang step yun, no? One separate step yun wherein you will have the protonation of your hydroxy group to form water with an oxonium ion there or oxonium at oxygen. Tapos, um, dun pa lang a-attack yung nucleophile natin na bromide, no? To replace your leaving group. Tapos via SN2, mabubuo na natin yung product. And ang product natin ay si 1-bromo 2-methyl propane. Which is correct. Yun yung mahalaga. Nakuha mo to. Ayan.
Then minus add. Tato ka ba?
Okay,
Then
check.
minus add.
Bromine.
Oh, yes.
Tapos, may methyl group. Okay, correct. So, ang sagot ko dito ay the secondary alcohol reacts via SN1 mechanism to form a carbocation that rearranges. While the primary alcohol, no, yung propanol natin, si 1-propanol, ay nagre-react with HBr via SN2. No? Thus, no carbocation intermediate and no rearrangement possible. So, you'll only have this 1-bromo 2-methyl propane. Okay? So, because 2-methyl 1-propanol is a primary alcohol, that the bromine cation simply attacks the alcohol carbon directly via SN2. So, correct, pwede naman to alcohol carbon, pero take note, your alcohol here was already converted into a good living group before bromide can attack. I hope, Josh, na-gets mo yun, ha? Yung wordings mo kasi very important yon. Tama naman to, yung alcohol carbon yung inattack ni bromide kasi siya yung nucleophile mo, di ba? So, yan. Tsaka, because sa primary, the bromine cation, bakit bromine cation to, Josh?
Ay, ba't ganun? Anyway, whatever.
Mhm. Oo, dapat bromide to.
Bromine cation ah. Wow.
This should be bromide. So, another ano. Okay lang yan. Sabi ko nga, from you came from a vacation, no? Medyo matagal yun. So, okay lang yun. So, bromine cation. So, X kagad to. It should be bromide kasi nucleophile yan. So, before the bromide can attack the alcohol carbon, take note yung alcohol mo dito was already converted from the hydroxy group to water. No? So, via SN2. Correct. Ayan. Ito na yung SN2. And hence, the carbocation has no time to rearrange. Technically, wala ka naman talagang carbocation, Josh, no? And hence, the carbocation has no time to arrange into the more stable tertiary carbocation because you do not form carbocations via SN2. So, this is unnecessary. Ito, kahit wala na to. Wait lang. Ayan, cross out ko to, ha. Kahit wala na to. Kasi wala ka naman talagang carbocation for SN2. So, you don't need this. Mukha siyang ano.
Quietly. I don't want to hear you repeat the question.
Ayan. Via SN2, ayan, pwede to. Oxonium ion leaves.
Agad, iniintindi mo siya while you're listening. So, anong tanong sa'yo?
Okay. So, pwede na tong end na to. No? Kasi you don't have any carbocation formation via SN2. Pero, for 3-methyl butanol, the reaction is via SN1, correct? Tapos, oxonium ion leaves,
What's the question?
kapag yung carbocation ay nagre-arrange into, pinagsama mo pala kasi to. So, cross out ito for the SN2, pero include mo yan for SN1. Yan. So, tama naman yan. Yung carbocation will rearrange into a more stable tertiary carbocation, no? Seen after oxonium ion leaves in the 3-methyl-2-butanol reaction. Correct. Technically, there could be a rearrangement if the hydroxy gets protonated, but it would be an even weaker leaving group and group. Ala, ayun pala. Kasi dinire-diretso mo nga, kinoncerted reaction mo kasi itong SN2. So, itong ano mo, explanation mo dito, Josh, technically, there could be rearrangement if the hydroxy gets protonated. Take note, you don't have rearrangement for SN2. So, and both of them are being protonated. Like what I mentioned, Josh, yung preparatory step for SN2 is protonating the hydroxy group para maging good living group siya. Then, SN2 will proceed. Okay? So, hindi ang protonation, Josh, hindi lang siya nangyayari kay SN1, pati kay
Ay, wala.
Don't go anywhere. Nakatingin ka sa board now? Oh, ba't naka-side view ka? Nakatingin ka sa board. I think it's body with you. Parang nawawala, parang it's a shot off your brain. Ganyan yung mga sisters mo. Wala silang problem na ganyan. So you need to correct yourself. Parang nawawala ka bigla. So alam sa board dapat. Oh! Uy! Hindi yung tanong, ano ang dapat tinitignan sa board? Oo. So, ano tinanong? Bakit meron remainder yung sagot? Paano nagkaroon ng
Ayan, hello
remainder?
Josh, naririnig na ba ulit ako?
Okay, ngayon ba?
Can you hear me, Josh?
Yes, okay.
Okay, yon. So, ayun ha, okay lang yan.
Oo,
Review natin
you're
dito ulit. Very
definition
quick
pa.
review, no? Ang
Sabi mo sa sarili mo yan.
ang protonation ng hydroxy group ay nangyayari for both SN1 and SN2. Hindi lang yun kay SN1. Like what I mentioned, no, yung SN2, halogenation of from alcohol to alkyl bromide, no, via halogenation. May preparatory step yon wherein you need to convert your hydroxy group first to a good living group, which is protonating the hydroxy group. So, this one, hindi lang ito kay SN1, Josh, nangyayari, no? Ayan, no, there could be rearrangement if the hydroxy gets protonated. No, this is wrong. So, ang rearrangement ay nangyayari lang via SN1. So far ha, sa mechanism na mga naaral natin.
Hindi nga, actually sinabi ko nga po, pero but it will be attacked. So, technically parang wala naman magiging arrangement anyway.
Yan. Hydroxy gets protonated but it would be an even weaker leaving group. Tapos ito pa it would be an even weaker leaving group. Bakit weaker leaving group? Yung protonated na hydroxy, good living group na yun. Right?
Even better pala. Mali pala yung wording. Ayan.
Kasi kinumpir mo. Hindi. Okay. Correct. Ayan. Ito. Hindi iyan. So, it should be better living group na siya. Okay. Okay lang yan. Like what I mentioned, who came from a long vacation. Ayan. Better living group. Yan. Kasi ano na yan from hydroxy group naging water na siya. And bromine would attack the oxonium before it even gets to live. Bromine would attack the oxonium before it even gets to live. For SN1, Josh,
may some sense making, pero yun yung actually yun yung tama kasi naging oxonium naman siya anyway pag ma-attack siya.
Hmm.
Paano nagkaroon ng trigger kanina?
Yep. Pero ano dapat 'to? Kasi parang ang iniisip ko dito, SN1 ang ine-explain mo dito sa lower part eh. So I don't know if you mix them already, yung parang the explanation will go both for SN1 and SN2. Kaya take note nyo siya, yung protonation here, they will both happen for both SN1 and SN2. Okay, and then um, regardless if it's SN1 or SN2 mechanism, um, the hydroxy group will be converted into a better living group and then bromine can attack now. So take note for SN1 Josh, dapat yung oxonium umalis na yun for SN1. Kasi dapat alis na siya. Kasi nga may carbocation ka na eh, no? So I'm not sure if you're talking about SN2 here. That's correct, no? So parang for SN2, attack mo na si bromine and then aalis ngayon si water. Okay, yung may oxonium ion. Hence, there is no rearrangement because of its configuration. So this is quite a messy explanation, pero that's okay kasi I'm getting your ano naman, uh, your gist. The overall gist is there. However, the wordings are not that good, no? Sabi ko nga, it's okay. Ayan, ano to? At Josh, ibig sabihin, applicable pala para sa lahat ang kapag galing ka sa long vacation or alam mo yun, ah, long non-exposure to
I mean, whatever.
information. Yeah, medyo rusty. Or ano pa, coping up yung brain natin. And that's totally fine. So, pero tignan mo ha, kuha mo nga yung mechanism eh, especially this SN1, no? Kuha mo siya. So, 2 points for each mechanism, then 2 points sa ating explanation. So, parang 3 points each, no? Per compound. So, I'll give you, ayan, tadan, ito na ang ating verdict. So, dito kasi 2 points. Sige, ang nakalimutan mo dito, hydrate chip, tsaka ito. Sige, I'll give you 2 points here. 2 points to. 1.5. Yan, 1.5 dito. Ito kasi ang laki limutan mo yung mismong isang compound. So I'll give you 1 point lang. Kasi kuha mo naman yung final product and that's okay. Ito naman, medyo magulo yung explanation. So 2 points din ito. I'll give you 1 point here. So 3.5 out of 6. That's okay.
Okay. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Okay. Gano'n na lang.
Huwag ka mag-alala. Iniisip ko na lang, okay, under recovery pa ang kanyang ano, ang kanyang presence of mind. Sige. I'm going to share now 15, 16. It ha. Eto. And then, please take a screenshot of items 15 and 16, Josh. Can you now see 15 and 16?
Okay.
Okay
Kita
na,
na ba?
Josh?
Kita na ba?
Okay, good. 15, 16 lang muna. Very good.
Yan. Okay na ba?
Okay. Sige. We'll reshare our whiteboard. Ayan. Bawi ka dito. I want near perfect score. Wow. Demanding pala yun, no? Hindi naman. Kung ano lang matama mo, ano naman yan. That's fine. Kasi ano tayo eh, nasa middle na tayo ng items natin, no? So, medyo ano na siya. Hindi naman basic na reactions na tong mga to.
Hmm. Okay. So,
Ah,
hindi ko ma-paste. Kaya po, try nyo nga po i-paste.
Hindi mo ma-paste. Wait, sige.
ay,
Yes, hindi ko po
Or
siya ma-paste.
baka loading na tong page na ay yung board natin na Josh. Kaya baka kailangan na natin magpalit ng page.
nasa
Kasi
baba na
loading
tayo.
na nga siya. Wait,
Two.
anyway, sige, try
Add
ko
minus
muna
add.
Josh ah. Where's that,
Yung minus
15, 16.
add minus add muna tayo. Hindi mo na sasagot eh. Do something muna para maintindihan mo. Dahil sa add minus add. Go down, go down, go down, go down.
Ayan. Ayan, nag-paste siya sa akin,
Oh.
Josh.
What?
Nakikita mo?
Ayun, 15. What alkanes are formed when each alcohol dehydrated? Okay,
Ayun. Okay.
working.
Ano na lang, kung kailangan i-resize, Josh, kasi medyo OC ka sa mga resizing eh.
Sample natin.
Gusto mo ay magkakasize sila. Parang magka-size naman.
Ito. Uy! Sample natin. Two. Sample natin add minus add. What?
Okay na, Josh? We're good na for 15
Yes,
and
tama.
16 naman. Okay, sige. So, for item
Dehydrated
15,
with TSOH.
So, dehydration
Oh,
ito.
5 minus 3.
So, dehydration using tosel alcohol. Okay? So, yeah.
Bakit na
Go ahead.
5 minus
Just inform me if you're good, okay?
Anong sagot? May 2 at may remainder o wala? 2.
If ever this meeting gets disconnected, Josh, please rejoin the new meeting, okay?
Oo nga, bakit
So,
nga naging
we still have
mawawala
naman
yung
roughly
remainder?
30 minutes for this
Subtract
meeting.
3, 5. Can you subtract 3 from 5? Subtract 3, 6. Paano na ito? Bakit nawala yung remainder? Nawala yung remainder. Add minus add. Ang gulo yung ano? Incomplete. Oo,
What out?
maririnig.
Magkaka-rearrangement to.
Ngayon,
Kaya pala,
sa taas tayo, add minus e.
magkaka-rearrangement to. So,
Bakit? Five, add minus e din tayo ngayon. Ha? Are you looking at add minus e? Example natin. Oo, huwag mo. Nabubura mo yung ano, mga letters. 5 minus 2, bakit meron pa rin remainder? Meron pa rin remainder. Two. Bakit may remainder pa rin ito? Okay. Uy! Kata! Uy! What you will see? Much. So with 5 minus, the try to add minus us. Go down. Are you aware? Add minus add ba? Sample natin sa add minus add. Kung doon dito pa natutura yung mga ano yung example natin? Oo. 5 minus 3. Okay, tignan mo kung ano mangyayari ha. Tingnan mo nga, 5 minus 3. Tingnan mo bakit mawawala yung bakit mawawala sa 5 minus 3? Subtract 3. Tingnan mo kung ano yung nangyayari. You have to see. Don't memorize without understanding. Bakit nawala yung remainder? Kasi nabulang alin. Ano? Okay, ngayon 5 minus 2. Let's go up. Tingnan mo kung ano mangyayari. You have to see more than thinking more. Ngayon 5 minus 2. Tingnan mo bakit okay, 5 minus 2, subtract 2. Bakit may
Okay,
remainder?
Josh, what's your answers for
Tama!
15?
Nilabayan na ba? Mhm.
Okay, go ahead. Sige, sige lang.
Oh, gusto mo ba yung ganyan?
I'm pretty sure iniisip mo yan ng maigi ngayon. Ayaw mo na ma-fall victim from item number 14.
Our I think what o bakit ulit to? Ito ulit ha? Bakit doon sa odds? Bakit nabura ang tama? Doon sa odds, bakit doon sa odd minus even? Bakit meron pa rin dito? Tama. Oo. Sa too hard? No, kaya lang. Okay lang ba naturuan paano mag hindi. Okay. Kaya gusto kita. Okay lang ba yun? Para mas gusto na parents mo, gusto okay ba na we want your good? Care about you. Kung hindi, kaya ka lang namin. Mami mo, pabiyakan ka na lang yan. Ganyan. Di ba? Okay bang ganun? O gusto mo, kahit na you don't understand it.
Okay, alam ko na. Bilawak. Ayun na. Aha.
So that I can't your mom something. So then, that's sweet of it's studying and online.
You're doing the cheat code already. The cheat code is there.
Tinignan ko muna po anong gagawin eh. Kasi baka magkamali. Parang kanina, pag
Okay.
impulsive kasi baka magkamali ulit.
Mm-hmm. So the cheat code for drawing structures.
Yeah. Kunyari sa ibang country, iba yung time nila. Kunyari sa United States, umaga siya. Ay, gabi siya. Magiging umaga na. Tayo magagabi. Oo, sila gabi, magiging umaga na. Tayo magiging iba. Kasi nasa Anong country ka pa? Yun ang importante. Oo, kunyari, I came from, 1 hour, 60 hours.
Cambodia.
Are Vietnam and Cambodia have similar time? Do they belong to
Narinig
the
na ba?
same
Narinig na
time
ba?
zone? Yeah. Oo.
Ay,
Hindi,
anyway.
you mentioned Cambodia. Pero your dad is talking about time zones,
Kaya nga,
I guess.
narinig na ba? Anyway, whatever.
Oo. A little bit, pero hindi ganun ka buo.
Buti na lang may may noise gate sa OBS. Anyway. What Alkin blah blah blah. So alam ko natin eh. So So si TSOH. Hello. Attack na si H ng TSOH. Tapos na may oxonium. Tapos na may carbocation. Tapos na may alkene. Sige. Ay. Yan.
Okay, how about letter C, Josh? At
Yes,
your
yun na po.
final answer for letter C.
Mhm.
You know what it means? Tayo gumawa tayo ng solve tayo ng problem. Your problem. Variable. Your future to variable. But for now, I want to know how to do. Ano ka mag- ano ba sa'yo?
Aha. Pwedeng terminal. Dalawa, tatlo.
How to use. Kung ano namin natin. Wish for ang sa buong ang pinaka-set. But it's meron tayong sabi natin dimension, sabing din length, height, kasi sinabi na two dimension, square, and nalilagay length with height, rectangular. Para na turuan kita sa pag-solve ng mga two variables into geometry. Gagamitin pero ang sa geometry for of reasoning.
Pwede pa? Wait lang. Mhm. Ay, hindi na pwede. Yan ba? Ano ba? Tararan.
Okay, Josh. Oy, no tahimik.
Yan ba?
Sige, let's check. So I think this will be our last item for today. So we have three items here. So let's check your answers. Okay, ito na tayo. Number 15. Okay. First and foremost, Josh. Para toluene sulfonic acid. Okay. So protonate lang siya. Mhm. So it's used as a reagent to uh, okay. Sige. Protonation. Okay, correct. Mhm. Yeah, kasi we have a strong base here. So it's assumed here that the strong base will be any strong bases. Pero Josh, I have a question. If you have a paratoluene sulfonic acid, can the OTS here acts as a nucleophile and then be substituted here? Once you have your water formation here, and then via SN2, magiging OTS siya. Para tosylated yung compound. Tapos you will perform elimination after.
Yes, you know the difference.
Mm.
Right? I'm
Yes,
just
tama.
asking.
Ano ba?
I'm just asking if your TSOH, once a protonate yung water, yung OTS negative will replace the water via SN2 para you form a tosylated compound
Okay.
before your base attacks. Ano?
to distinguish it.
Hindi na yata kaya yun.
Dahil
Kasi masyado malaki nga si, yun, si
OTS.
Pausilate.
Para mag-undergo pa ng substitution. Okay. Correct. So, ayan, may mga rearrangement na mangyayari dito. So, it means this one will undergo via E1. Correct?
Tama.
Kilograms.
So, via E1. Elimination by E1.
Earth can inter- Pero pagka pumunta ka sa moon, yung weight mo, be different. But your mass, yung dami ng timbang mo, when you go to the moon,
Wait, I'm checking your answer.
weight. But yun, yung will depend.
Okay, correct. So, the tosylate is a big group.
Meron
So, you cannot easily that.
body of
It will not perform
body
too short. Instead, it means to use
bucket.
elimination.
For so yung mas malaking tayo, bakit hindi
Ayan.
ba?
So, formation of tayo. Yep. So, ito na yun. Maglilip na siya. Okay. So, ito katulad nito, Josh. I suggest yung 1-2 metal shift yung pakilagay ito. 1-2 metal shift.
Okay.
So, you'll have a 1-2 metal shift here. Tapos, the base will... Okay. Pero from here pa lang, very good. Ito, dito pa lang, pwede ka na mag-undergo ng elimination because you have a beta hydrogen here, right? So, if your beta hydrogen will be abstracted here, you'll form a double bond here. So, this is a minor product, correct? Tapos, ayan. So, mag-eliminate ka dito. This is your major product. Bakit ito pala yung major, Josh? Kasi, bakit? 15A, Josh. Why is this your major product compared to this one? Dahil ito ay what? Yes, Josh?
Kasi tetra-substituted.
Very good. Mas substituted alkene siya. So, more stable. I have a question, Josh. Are these the only two products? Tama naman. This is the major product. Correct yan.
You're familiar. For Elias, bakit?
Actually, meron pang isang may dalawa pang products, Josh, na possible from this. Yun yung hindi mo na-capture. Kasi tignan mo, saan pa yung mga may beta hydrogens? May beta hydrogen ka dito.
Yes, pero ano
Right?
Tama.
Tapos may beta hydrogen ka rin dito. So it means you still have two possible alkene products. So ayan, na-miss out mo yun. Pakidraw nga, Josh.
Okay.
Okay.
Dalawa pa yan.
Yes.
Ano pa?
Zero.
What are the other two alkene products that you will form?
boiling point niya.
Kung tumama doon, ay hindi. Let's say umabot siya dito. Ayun siya. Ito siya.
Yeah, edi hindi mo siya na, iba yan.
Hindi ba? Ito yan.
Iba yan dito.
Ito yun.
That's a different compound versus this one. Hindi, kung
Di ba?
dito ka
Dito,
nga magtatanggal.
let's say kung dito in-attack, tapos ang ginanan. Edi dito yan.
Yan. So, iba siya na compound.
Ah,
nilipat
wait,
mo
wait. Ito pa pala pa may...
Nag-metal
Ay, hindi.
shift ka na eh.
Ba't may H doon?
Metal shift ka.
Ay,
So, iba
oo,
yan.
pwede. May lamaw. Pwede rin dito.
Ibang product. Oo.
Ito, terminal.
Ibang product yan. Pwedeng terminal. Pwede pa yung gitna. Yung internal alkene. Yan. Pero ito, ano na lang yan. Dimethyl na lang yung dulo niyan. Tama yan. Tama. Nandun yung alkene. Pero, nandito yung isang methyl. Oh.
Minsan, nagpa-fluctuate.
Ano ginagawa?
Parang lumalabo.
So, tatlo bale.
Oh. Bawal to. Hindi na siya tatlo, Josh. Dalawa na lang yan. Kasi nag-metal shift ka na eh.
Ay.
Ito oh. Diba? Dalawa na lang yan. 2 metal groups na lang yung naiwan dyan.
Actually,
Ay, tama. Ba't ganun?
Dalawa ang beta hydrogens.
Ah, yes.
mukhang pwede
Ah,
matanggal.
okay. Nakuha ko na. Ah, okay. So, dalawa pa pala.
Yeah, you miss out to minor products. Ayan, very good. So, same din dito sa gitna. Ayun sa unang product mo na
Yan.
minor. Pero, nag-metal shift, yung may rearrangement. Tapos, eto. Very good. Ito yun. So, ito yung mga hindi mo nakuha. Na-miss mo tong dalawang to. Pero ito, dalawa. So, 2 points each to, no? I'll give you 0.5 for each. So, this will be 1 out of 2. Ay, pati yung mechanism. So, 3 points. Kuha mo naman siya. Pati yung rearrangement. 2 out of 3.
volume or
About letter B, let's check. Sa letter B naman, correct. Protonate natin to, aalis to, may positive. So, dalawa ang beta hydrogen mo either sa terminal or dun sa internal, yung within the ring, no? So, exocycline tsaka in yung internal alkene, no? So, you can have this. This will be the minor. Try-substituted ito. Then this will be the major. Tama ba tayo? H, CH2, CH2. Ina dito. Wait. Let me check lang. CH2, CH3.
pero sa kotse, kilometers.
Okay. So this should be C. Okay. Wait, Josh, ano yung binigay? Josh, ito, tingnan mo. Ang given ay CH2, CH3 lang. Ayan o, CH2, CH3.
You know how they measure?
Ito may drawing mo, naging na siya, tatlo na o, 1, 2, 3. Naging CH2, CH2, CH3 na to. Ayan o, CH2, CH2, CH3. Sobra ito. Kaya pala nagtataka ako, bakit yung minor product mo ay dapat wala tong dulo. Nako, mali lahat ng sagot mo, technically, kasi mali yung mo. Hindi, pero gets ko naman yung mo. Ito, mawawala lang to.
How did they ever
Sobra ka ng carbon. Hello, Josh?
Yes, awang.
Sobra ka ng carbon. Ang binigay mo ay CH2, CH2, CH3. Ang given lang ay CH2, CH3. So, dapat wala to. You should remove this. So, if that is the case, ganito lang. Okay, ito. This will be your minor, correct? Kasi ito ay mas stable to. Kasi mas mahaba yung alkyl groups. technically, tama yung lahat mo dapat. So,
Ito, kumakain
0.5 point. So, 1 point, then 1 point.
So,
Ala, paano kaya to? Tama naman yung products mo. So, let's say I'll give you 0.5 for this. So, 1 out of, sige. So, ang mali mo lang naman ay yung mismong extra metal. Ay,
actually,
give you 1.5 for this. Out of 2.
calories. 100. Pero,
Sobra ka
Nagkaroon,
ng
no?
methyl.
Anyway,
Sobra ka
naging
ng
profile
methyl.
pala.
Oo. Ethyl lang dapat siya.
bili ka ng
Okay.
pots.
So, sino ang major product mo dito? Okay. So, ito ang major product, yung trisubstituted. Tapos, ang minor mo, yung terminal alkene. So, TSOH, tanggal. Okay. Magkakaroon ng, okay, tertiary na ito. So, kapag nawala, okay, okay na to. So, wala na dito kasi walang beta hydrogen. So, ang dalawang beta hydrogen mo dito at saka dito. Correct. Ito, full credit ka dito. So, 0.5, then 1. 2
Okay.
out of 2. Hala ko magkakamali ka dito sa dulo. Pero, okay na. So, 2, 4, 7. So, 2, 3.5, 5.5. So, for 15, 5.5 out of 7 ka. Generous na ako dun sa item to kahit mali yung ano mo. Pero kuha mo naman kasi yung mismong concept. Yan. So, we have 5.5 over 7. Okay na to. So, not bad naman. Super good. Ay. Tama ba? 3, 7. Correct. 3.5, 5.5. Okay. So, I'll meet you on Wednesday, Josh. We're good for today. And we'll continue 16. Siguro hopefully we can have around several items sa Wednesday. It's okay kasi you came back from a vacation. So, definitely you're still warming up. I'll see you on Wednesday, Josh. No? Siguro mga, let's say around 2 to 3 p.m. we can meet na. Okay? So, enjoy the rest of the day, Josh. I don't know if you have a meeting, another class today. I'll see you on Wednesday. Okay?
Sige po.
Bye-bye, Josh. Thank you.
Okay po, thank you po. Bye-bye po.